I want to show you here how I've been working this ring to make sure I can get the maximum amount of the hay to the sheep, meaning make the sheep eat it. So these are sheep that nothing critical about them. We got 2 rams. This is a ewe that didn't breed back, so I'm not worrying about any twin lambing disease or anything like that. Hopefully she's pregnant now, and so I'm forcing these guys to eat a little more. And I just moved this ring so that it's closer to this side, and so you can see the bottom half that I couldn't unwind, because when you can't get to the bottom of the bale because they pull it all to the side like that, then you're not going to be able to unwind the bottom half of that bale. You can see the top portion I was able to unwind and then put it down where they could reach it. So this side is the side where I had the ring right up against the bale so they could reach it, and you can see where they've chewed it real close there. Now that's kind of, let's call this a bobbin. That's kind of loosened that bobbin up. So now I went in and just kind of pulled a lot of the hay away from the bottom. So once they eat that other side to the point that this side has been eaten, then I'll scoot this ring back over there, and they'll be able to reach, put their heads through and reach the bale again, and then they can get to more of the center. The top half I will unwind again now that we've gotten some of the bottom of it eaten. So these seem to be doing great if you can force your sheep to get a little more hungry and be a little less picky about the quality. The other thing is, I don't want to force ewes that are getting close to gestation to get more hungry, which is what you don't want, because that will trigger that twin lamb disease. So so far this is working pretty good. They have not been getting into this bale at all with this ratchet strap wrapped around it. So that's a good tip. It saved a lot of hay for us, and we use it with the calves, everything. Every ring gets a toe strap.